Hello everybody, welcome back to Emmy's Corner and welcome to the first video of making different kinds of bracelets with rainbow loom. Today we're going to be starting with the single chain bracelet. The things you're going to need is a rainbow loom, or you can use your fingers, or you could just use pencils and stick them together, but at least have anything that will act as two pegs to hold the bands together. The next thing you'll need is a hook. Alas, you don't have to use a hook. You can use your fingers, you can use a crochet hook, or any kind of hook. Last but not least, you're going to need your bands. Today, I'm going to be using pink and green, but you can use any color you want. It can be patterned, it can be just one color, or you can go crazy and do any kind of color. Now, let's get started. The first thing that you're going to do is grab your loom, or your fingers, or your pencils, and grab a band. You're going to get the band and twist it over the pegs so it looks like an infinity loop. The way you do it if you use your fingers is to get two fingers, put it on one finger, twist it, and just like that. Now, the next step is to get your next color that you want and put it over like this, and make sure not to twist it. So the bottom one is twisted, but the top one is not. Then you can use your hook, grab the bottom one, and put it over. And make sure you do that to both sides. Then you can push the band down so you have room for the next band. Get your next color, put it over, grab the bottom one, and put it over. Grab the bottom one, and put it over. Now, the reason in the beginning we did that little infinity loop is so that it can act like an anchor to hold the whole bracelet together. As you continue doing this one step, you'll see why. These next steps that you just need to do is put it over and take the bottom one and put it over. Easy and simple as that. You can keep on doing this until it's the right length that you want. I paused the video so I had time to make this bracelet, and as you can see, it got very long, but it's not the size I want yet. Make sure to pause the video so you can start on your bracelet. Now that I have my bracelet the length that I want it, I can go ahead and finish it off. Now, it depends on what kind of close off you have, but I have this that looks like an S. So how I'll loop it off is I'll take this on the end, I'll put it over my fingers, and I'll get one corner of the S and put it through. Get a closer look. Now, on this other side is a little bit more trickier. I get one band on my finger and I carefully grab the other and put it on my finger. can grab the other end of my S and put it on like that. And there I have my bracelet. And there you have the super easy and super simple single chain bracelet. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below what kind of bracelet you made.